In the grand theater of American business, individual success is celebrated. But when your company reaches the pinnacle of success, that's a cause for jubilation. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, knows this feeling well. His company, a global powerhouse and investor favorite, is joining the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow, despite its roster of only 30 companies, is a beacon in the world of stock indexes. Its members are large, profitable, and likely to remain so. On Monday, February 26th, before the U.S. stock market opens, Amazon will replace Walgreens Boots Alliance and join the ranks of the Dow. Amazon's inclusion in the Dow is logical. It's a giant, with revenue surpassing $574 billion in 2023. Its market capitalization is the fourth largest of any U.S. domiciled company. Its revenues are diverse, from selling a myriad of products on its site to providing top-tier cloud computing services. It's a content creator, a delivery service, and a retail disruptor. In the wake of this success, Jeff Bezos has become one of the world's 3 wealthiest individuals. As the executive chairman of Amazon, with a net worth nearing $180 billion, he's also ventured into the space business, owns the Washington Post, and toys with the idea of owning an NFL team. Quite an accomplishment for a Princeton grad who started Amazon in a garage in Bellevue, Washington. Bezos chose Bellevue for its tech infrastructure despite never having lived there. Quite the foresight, wouldn't you say?